What's happening, y'all? Domino here. Like to welcome y'all to this Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube. Y'all see the clouds? Yep, I know y'all see the clouds up there. Okay, it's gonna rain soon. Okay, gonna be some bad weather out here. You know. Yep. Look at downtown. Look all here. You know. Yep. It's gonna rain. I finished cooking. See it on YouTube. I was gonna come back when I finished cooking. So the sun that came out a little bit, then it went back in. Okay, y'all see the clouds? Yep, it's definitely gonna rain. Ain't that something, y'all? Y'all hear that wind blowing? All right. Now I'm about to go to Instagram, right?